What's up, guys? And now that you've seen how it looks, now we'll see how can we modify it. First of all, now that was stuck, get your Bluetooth dongle adapter, plug it in the spot. Yeah. Oh. Engine on, Bluetooth on. Now let's go to Carista. Okay, just wait to get it initialized and hit customize. Now again, for all that you are new to the channel, I bought myself this Bluetooth adapter from Carista, and with the Pro version it was around like 50 euros, the Pro version of the app. So now we'll go into the app. Okay, so now that we're in, let's go to lights. We have here our menu and we can activate a lot of functions, and we'll go to lightning, lights, coming home, leaving home. So the coming home part I don't really care because I have the lights on by default, but I didn't have the option to set leaving home. And as you know, here in the iDrive menu you cannot set you can set only the coming home part and the interval, but you don't have the leaving home part. You'll have to get in this option menu, and you have three options. Mine was set on no, but you have the option to turn on immediately or to turn on gradually. And I have to say that I do recommend turn this part on gradually, because if you're near the car and you unlock it, by turning on gradually you will not use the all amount of power you need to turn on a bulb. So I do recommend to use them turn on gradually, because you won't use a lot of power from the engine and from the battery. Sorry for that. And another thing that I found it pretty interesting is that you can have the standing lights, and this refers to DRLs, but you can use high beams for leaving home. If you like to start the car and all your light to turn on, you can set this to gradually or immediately up. I don't know what to say, because if you have bike xenon like I do, it's not good to turn them gradually, and I don't think that it will turn gradually, because xenon is a high discharge bulb. The unit itself regulates the power, so I don't know if this works like it should. But yeah, this was a short video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of new videos that will come.